Hi, today I want to show you how you can create a list view control with a filtering effect, directly link the controls to each other. And what this linking will do is that when you start to type into your FilterEdit control, the list view itself will be filtered to what you were entering into this FilterEdit control. So basically, you can do this on two different ways. You can link the FilterEdit control directly to the list view control at design time, and you can set up with a static list using the list view items editor at design time. But if you want to make it dynamically, then you might get into some um, issues with this setup, because if you already set up something at design time, this might affect the behavior of the controls at runtime. So let's start from the beginning. As you can see, I was setting up these two elements. The list view filter edit control you can find under the Lazarus controls tab, and here you have the TListViewFilterEdit control. You click on it, you place it on your form, and then you can also place the common controls TListView control, so this one on your form as well. Then you name it as you want, and then you can start to define the static elements. And let's start with the static elements. I just delete here something from this, because if we make it statically, then this will this create function is not needed at all. So what you need to do is that you need to define a column for the list view, and I was defining the animals column, and then you can also define the items. So if you create here items like cat, let's say just I define two because we don't need to go into too deep into this. So now I have the items in the list view, and then I can go to the list view filter edit control, and I can link the filtered list view to this filter edit control. And here I've select the list view itself, and basically with this the setup is complete. So once I'm running the application, I can see that two statically defined items. And I can start to type again. So if I'm typing A, then the cat is coming up. If I type only the dog is listed. So this one is working fine. But what happens if you want to statically define items? So let's see at first if I'm deleting the items from the statically created items list. So here, from the list view, I delete both of them, and then I also put back the create procedure, so the form create procedure, and here I was defining an animal list as an enum. And this list is basically populated into the list view. So what you can see here is that at first this one is not really needed, so I take it out. If I would not have a column defined, then the animals column would be defined here, and then I go to the populate list view. And here the list view itself will be updated. So I'm adding all the items from the enum, and then I refresh the filter list or the list view itself. And with this, if I'm running it again, you can see that that the items nicely populated. But what happens if I start to type something here? Everything disappears. So this is where the trick is coming in, and it takes some time until you can figure out why this is not working. So basically, the filtered item list is working on a way that the list view should be linked to the filtered list view. The list view should be linked to the TListViewFilterEdit control once the items are defined. If the link is created earlier, then the list view will or the list view edit control will take into consideration that list. And why the items disappeared from my list is because at design time the list view or sorry, the list filter edit control was already linked the A list or this T list view control to the filtered list view. So this I need to delete. And with this at design time, it makes basically sure that the filtered list view itself is not or the list view itself is not linked to the filter edit control at design time, just when the list itself is populated. So when I'm running the application, you can see now that the same thing, all the items are defined. And now if I start to type something, then the list is nicely working. So everything still appears. So basically, that's the only thing where you might, let's say, stuck with your application. If you were testing the application with a list and then suddenly it doesn't work as you expected, you just need to remember that the list view filter edit control should be linked after the list view itself is generated. And if you dynamically change the list view items, then you should make sure that the filtered list view value again changed or updated to the right items. So basically that's all. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With this, I wish you happy coding and see you next time.